Hi, I'm Handmade Jones from the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California, and I'm here to talk about handmade glycerin soap recipes. So glycerin soap is a melt and pour base that you purchase by the pound. It comes with us. We sell it in two different varieties, goat's milk or glycerin, which is transparent. Both of them you just chop up and melt either in your microwave or in a double boiler. Once you have your base, you're going to choose a scent and a colorant and maybe a floral additive of some sort, like a lavender. We highly suggest that everything you use is meant specifically for soap rather than maybe a food grade product, especially when it comes to colorants and things like that. You may end up staining your skin or irritating it. So stick to things that are meant specifically to be in soap. And a couple of suggestions we have for recipes are lavender, lavender scent with some lavender buds and a sweet little purple color. Or a more tropical version might be mango with a little yellow scent and some yellow flowers. And then you can choose a mold that suits us as well. This is our gnome mold, for instance. He might be better with more Christmassy scents like a fir with a green coloring or something sort of fun for the summer for kids. So, once you've got your base and your understanding of your ingredients, you can kind of make whatever recipe you want. So just make sure you don't use more than an ounce of your scent per pound of soap and that everything's safe for skin. So this is Handmade Jones with the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California. Happy crafting!